Welcome, everyone! For some people, gravity is a choice. He tried to make it to higher ground, but forgot boats don't climb.
Okay, I've got a little announcement I want to make here. Oh my God. Stay there, stay there. I'm gonna say this.
No way!
Take over.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
No, 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 no!
Oh my god!
You get it?
When the competition for best man is tough, you have to prove yourself in the most dramatic ways.
That ring was made in China.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
This ring is not made in China. Rachel? Are you marrying me? Yeah!
Woo! Tana! Get him, Tana!
Canoe plus sand dune. Name a worse combo.
Aïe aïe aïe, oh là là. Oh putain. Donc quoi, il reste comme ça? Oh!
Everyone's fine, just soaked in regret.
Qualified captain right here. Ran over the channel marker, got his dinghy stuck under the boat. Oh, no, the channel marker's under the boat. Keep going. Let's get out of the way.
Take this guy's license away. Immediately.
Boom.
Imagine being on the rescue team, needing a rescue.
Holy sh**. And that's why clamps aren't supposed to hold that on. He's too deep. That's it. That's it.
Congratulations! You've invented the world's first amphibious pickup truck.
Who's laughing?
Holy! You lost the f***ing boat!
Hey buddy, I think you dropped something. too close for comfort. Genius or insanity?
Yeah.
This is the worst kind of bully there is. Imagine crashing into the one thing specifically designed to help prevent a crash. That's $3 million hitting the floor like a bad investment. This guy put the bad in a bad day.
In general, film everything.
Not sure what this is, but I want one. Thankfully, no one was hurt, but this was just silly.
Allahu Ekber.
When your boat forgets which way is forward,
Eyvah eyvah eyvah. Çok büyük geçmiş olsun. Çok büyük geçmiş olsun.
here's a quick way to go viral. Luckily, no one was hurt, but that's $100,000 in damages right there. A boat ramp decides it wants to swallow the truck instead. The barge was empty, but that impact wasn't.
Looks like we're looking at the new age of electric boats. Yeah.
It's ugly, but at least it's eco-friendly.
Yeah, man. I like the new electric boat here next to you.
Yeah, that's pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
Tesla.
Gotta just call it a day after that.
GoPro. Stop recording.
To get a condom.
Oh, this could go really badly. This guy's either a pro or extremely stupid.
Are you serious?
You thought you caught dinner? Think again. He wanted to swim. The boat said, "Say less." Sometimes the universe says, "Wrap it up." Thankfully, no one was hurt. That's not propulsion, that's separation anxiety. Apparently, no wake zone was just a suggestion. Congratulations, sir. You just got exfoliated by water pressure. The ocean was calm until the humans showed up. Luckily, everyone's okay.
Oh my god!
When your seafood dinner becomes seafood gone wrong. This might be the worst ship maneuver I've ever seen.
Roll your car forward and roll the boat forward.
When you lose $500 and still don't get gas.
You gotta speak. I can't make this mistake ever.
This was way too close for comfort.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
And that's how you turn a cruise into a trauma bond. Everyone's fine though.
Hey! Oh my god, did you get
Here's the sort of chain reaction boaters hate to see.
Don't even try. Don't try.
Holy.
Oh my god!
Oh, that was like an inch.
Oh no, no! Oh!
Boat 0, Bridges undefeated.
Holy sh!
When Mother Nature says you're done, you're done. Thankfully, nobody suffered any injuries. That toll booth wasn't ready for this. You might as well just swim your way across at this point. When the captain's only option is self-destruction for safety's sake, respect.
Stop! He jumped.
You had one job. Keep the boat on the car.
Alright, Joe, hands together. Alright, hands to the right. Alright, hands apart.
Classic radar test. Hope everything was functioning properly.
Alright, back together.
There has to be a better way to do this. See what happens when the driver's foot slips? Thankfully, no one was hurt.
What? Nice little chunk. Let's go. That's 2 for you? Yeah. It's fine, it's waterproof. Your phone's waterproof.
After the catch comes the karma.
Push it with your body, push it with your body. Push it.
मैंने शुरू से बोला था आपको पूरी तबाही हो गई यार ये क्या हो रहा है वीडियो जोड़ा हम दामाई था उन्हें बेचे ना बचाएं गिरा सारा तबाही उठवा
These cargo ships had a terrible day. Thankfully, no one was hurt. Textbook launch. If toddlers wrote the textbook.
How did that go? Did that go as planned, Zeke?
If I had to guess, the captain has had a few too many.
And wind it down, wind it down. Wind it down. And easy there. Easy there. 7s, hold it up. 7, hold it up. 7 only. Heads. Look, look. Ah.
They trained for years, just not for that. Thankfully, they're pros and are all okay.
Very good.
Careful, please. Really careful. Not yet. Roger.
Hope you brought your 9 lives, buddy.
Roger. It's okay. Come back over here.
You know the party's over when the boat calls it quits before you do. That's not a wave, that's a shark. A barge carrying bricks collapses. Luckily, this worker was Usain Bolt fast. Here's how you pull a captain out of retirement in 2 seconds.
Piano, piano. Vada, ferma bene, fermalo bene.
When your $30 million yacht longs for bridge contact.
Ha toccato. Stonk si sta incagliando. Opla. Slowly. Opla. Alright,
Congrats, you launched and grounded it at the same time.
new plans. Times of high drama now on.
Someone needs to push the car. Well, the car's still dry.
They loaded the jet ski directly into chaos, but everyone made it out safely.
Did you swim?
Right now. Oh, you idiot. There's no rope. There's no rope tied to that anchor, and you're in a.
Nothing beats 3 far from sober guys having the time of their lives. Even the toughest men run from these waves. This happened off Seal Beach. It's rush hour, and that bridge never stood a chance. Thankfully, no one got hurt.
Oh my God! Are you kidding? Turn around! Look at that!
It's like Fast and Furious on water. And to make it worse, that water looks filthy. The end of the Auckland Boat Show didn't go as planned.
We said goodbye to our blue day.
What could possibly go wrong?
Пиздец, разгрузилась. Он держится.
And the award for worst docker goes to this guy. They literally came here on purpose, so no sympathies. Here's how to impress girls in this generation.
Okay. Did you get that on video?
Come on, man. First thing in the morning? Here's why you don't drink and yacht.
The tires are flat on this side.
Yeah. That's what I noticed inside. That's why I wanted to come out and we're gonna roll. I wanted to catch it live. Oh my god. Jesus, it's a big boat.
Oh my god.
Oh god.
There goes the boat.
There it goes. There it goes.
goes
Get
the
out
boat.
of the way!
Bro escaped the water just to crash his boat. Now this might be the best alarm clock ever made, and I'm not talking about the bellowing horns. Get out into the water, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Don't click off yet. If you love our videos, subscribe now and hit that bell. And wait, there's more videos for you right here on the screen. Just click on the one that grabbed your interest and enjoy. See you there.